Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up and use the WhatsApp Business API. So first you have to go to developers.facebook.com and it will take you directly to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is you need to log in to your Facebook account. So log in your Facebook here, your email and your password, and then tap login. And basically, you should see my apps right here, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Once you tap that my apps, then it will show you this one, create a meta for developers account. Now you have to register, verify your account, and then contact info, and then about you, you can tap this owner right here, and then proceed. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click this create application, create app. Tap this one right here. And then you have to proceed with answering this like visit portfolio if you have. Then you can choose from any of this here. Or if you don't have, tap this I don't have. Click next. And then what do you want your app to do? This time you can tap other right here. Tap this one. And then click next. And then after that, you can now add your app name here. Okay, so if you tap this type right here, and then you can add your app name. And then after that, you can now proceed or you can now tap next. Okay, so add your app name right here. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done in this section, then you can click this create app. Enter your password. And then this time you have to look for your WhatsApp. Okay, so click create app right here. Again, enter your password to make sure that you're the one who's using this platform right now. And then after that, once you're okay with this, and then you have to wait and then scroll down and then look for WhatsApp here. So click WhatsApp. You have to set this one up. Okay, set up this. Then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And it will take you directly to your WhatsApp Business Platform API. So confirm, and then here you will see your API. You will see here your welcome to the API Business Platform. You can see everything here. If you want to add some changes, if you want to add some or change some settings right here, and then you can go to this part. You can also see your API message below. Now, the importance of this, you may build and manage WhatsApp-related businesses assets like WhatsApp business accounts and message templates with the help of this Business Management API. So by the way, the cloud-based API used by the WhatsApp business platform helps to shorten deployment time and the requirement for continuous development resources. Actually, signing up is simple and quick, and you can utilize the dashboard to reply to and receive user-initiated messages right away. So this allows you to immediately begin interacting with clients that click over from your website, support center, advertisements, and more. You can improve client satisfaction and even increase conversion rates with the aid of these interactive and contextual dialogues. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.